Good morning. Okay, I'm getting ready to burn this for the first time. Y'all know I normally put my candles on the warmer. But I really want to see what this iced lemon pound cake, how is it? I really want to see the vibes that it throw with the wick lit. Because I don't have the 3-wick candle yet, so this is the only thing that I could burn. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna burn this candle. The scent notes in this one is sugar glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake, and whipped cream. So those are the scent notes, and when I tell y'all, this thing smells amazing. Oh my goodness, it is so nice. It just, I smell the cake in it, like the pound cake. I smell the pound cake, but I also smell like a powdered sugar or something. I don't know. I really like this candle, and I'm just crossing my fingers and hope that it do really good burning. First, like I said, I'm gonna burn it for a couple of hours, and then I might put another one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put another one on my other warmer, because I did buy 3. I'm gonna put the other one on the warmer, and I'm gonna burn this one in this small room. So we're gonna see exactly the vibes that it throw. I'm so excited for this. And I'm sure y'all know today, which is March 27th, Bath & Body Works has a sale going on, a 10-off sale. And also they got a 20% coupon. I think I'm gonna pass on that sale, and I'm just gonna wait. I don't really need anything until they bring out the new stuff. So I'm gonna pass on this sale. I started to go to exchange some candles, but I could exchange candles anytime. So yeah, let's get this one lit. As y'all see, single wick. Let's get it lit so we can actually see the vibes that it throw. Hopefully they're amazing. As you do see, the packaging has like these lemons, and I guess those the lemon flowers and the leaves, like it was just picked off a lemon tree. I'm in the Midwest, so we don't have lemon trees here. I mean, some people probably do have like small ones, but I don't even think lemons could grow here. It's just not warm enough, I don't think. But let's get to the candle. I did not trim the wick. It actually didn't need to be trimmed, but just FYI, just so you know. Did not trim the wick. We're gonna see. So we're gonna let this go for a couple of hours. All right, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, your girl is back. When I tell you this candle is so good, oh my goodness, I really like this candle. As y'all do know, I did burn it as well as put it on the warmer, as you do see. The burn, look at the wick, y'all. Oh my goodness, it most definitely, it wasn't a bad burn. It soot a little bit. As you do see, it do have a little mushrooming on the top. This candle is so good to me. Oh my goodness, y'all, it is so good. Burning the wick, it was a nice throw. Really nice throw. I can't say nothing bad about this candle. I like it. And as y'all do see, it is on the warmer. This candle is good. Let's go. Let's the scent notes. Sugar glazed icing. I feel like I smelled that sugar glazed icing. I feel like I smelled like the lemon juice mixed with the powdered sugar. That's what I smell. like they said, the lemon zest. Even though zest in the juice is really different, because the zest is like super strong, because you get the oils, the lemon oils from the zest. So it is a little bit stronger than actual lemon juice, but I most definitely smell a lemon glaze for sure. As far as the fluffy pound cake and whipped cream, I smell the pound cake. I do smell a cake note. As far as the whipped cream, I don't get whipped cream. I don't smell that part. But oh my God, this candle is so good. I really like this candle. Now, a lot of people is saying that the 3 wick does not throw good. So I don't know, but this single wick is a champion. You heard me. It is really throwing good. Shout out to the person who said in my sipping chat that this candle, it do throw at about a 10. I wouldn't give it a 10, but it most definitely is throwing. It is a powerhouse for a single wick. For this candle to be a single wick, yes, it most definitely is performing like a 3 wick, in my opinion. And it actually performed the same way when I burned it as well. This has been on the warmer all morning. When I did walk through the door, I could smell it. I couldn't smell it outside the door, but yes, once I got into the house, yeah, most definitely could smell it. It smells like that lemon glaze with back notes of a cake. Love it, y'all. I need more. I think some of the candles that I bought on that sale, I think I'm going to return them and exchange them for more of this one. I would rather have more of the single wick versus the 3 wick, but I have not gotten my hands on the 3 wick, so I can't even tell y'all what that one is going to do. But because this one throws so good, yeah, I think I'm going to exchange 3 of those single wicks out and grab 3 more of these. This is good. This is really good. And I absolutely love the packaging. Packaging is super nice to me. Yes. Really nice packaging. I like this candle, y'all. It's not real heavy on the pound cake. It's more, to me, it's more heavier on that sugar glaze icing to me, and the lemon zest to me. Those are the top notes that I smell, and then I smell the cake note. Oh, this is good. And that cake note is more, yeah, like a pound cake. I could see that. Because I was going to say, almost like, you know, when you pulling the cake out the oven and I have no ice on, it's just a regular like vanilla or yellow cake. That's kind of what it smelled like to me. And I'm sure that's that pound cake note that I'm getting. I like it. I really like it. And I do highly recommend this candle. If you have not smelled it, you need to. Also, if you have smelled it, leave in the comments and let me know, what do you think about this candle? Do you smell that lemon glaze? Or do you smell more of the pound cake? Leave that in the comments. Let me know, y'all. Make sure that, I just want to make sure that I'm smelling it right. You know, because we all smell things different, you know, and we're going to all describe it different. So leave in a comment, what is the first note, or what are some of the notes that you smell? Do you smell the whipped cream? Because I really don't get whipped cream. I get more of that sugary glaze icing and the lemon zest, or the lemon part. So leave that in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media. Also follow or use my hashtag. Hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.